and good afternoon everyone. Okay, so I hope all of you doing great. So before I begin, let me just check whether I am audible and visible or not. So I would like to see your comment, whether you can hear me and see me clearly. I can see that I am visible. Still would love to have your confirmation. So all of you who are waiting in the class, first of all, welcome to the session. Another session in our series 15-day challenge. Yeah. Okay, so this is maths. This is maths. You know me. I'm your Ankit sir. I take classes on our channel Deeksha Karnataka, and today I'm going to discuss continuity and differentiability alongside with application of derivatives. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Today is match. Yeah. We'll leave you early. Don't worry. Don't worry. Your match is at 7:30. We'll leave you before that. Okay. Yes. Hello everyone. Hi Narendra. Hi Shrikant. Hi Sharikar. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes. So I would like to see in the chat whether you can hear me or not. Am I audible? Am I visible? Just confirm that. Hi Chandana. Please check if you can clearly hear me and see me. All good? Good morning. Okay. Good morning. Yes. First class in the morning, is it? Okay. So a 15-day challenge, we have not many classes left. So in maths we have 2 more classes. In one of them I'm going to cover up vector and 3D. In one of them I'm going to cover up entire integration and differential equation and AOI. Okay, so we'll have 2 more classes in the live of 15-day challenge. One for vector and 3D, one for integration and AOI and differential equation. Yes, so I think there's no problem. I hope you all can hear me and we are ready to start the session. Tell me, how is your Sunday going first? Everything is going good, fine. Had your proper lunch? Okay, special time, special day, having match today, so you're gonna go and watch that with your family, with your friends. Yes, but I really hope you don't watch the entire match because our exams is right upon us. We have to spend time with our syllabus, with our work. So even if you're watching match, I would recommend you to watch your favorite cricketers batting or bowling, whoever you like, and then come back quickly to the class and your studies, and later you can watch the the highlights. Yeah. Yes. Hi Shavya, how are you? Yes. Okay, so good to go. Let's start then. I think we are ready. Let us start the class. Yeah, CSK is not doing good. Yeah. All right guys, so 1 second, let me just check once. Okay. Yes. All right sir, so we'll start now. All set. I'm ready with the questions. So this is the Hi Vardharaj. So this is the easy part of integration, by the way. This is the easy part of calculus, by the way, guys. So calculus has, of course, 2 parts in it. One is differential calculus, other is integral calculus. This is the one where you can score marks, and good thing is they have almost equal weightage. 5 to 6 questions come from each of this type. So we'll focus over here also. We have to prioritize this. Yeah. Alright guys, so let's start. 15-day challenge maths session number 6. We have already finished the first 5 classes and I hope you got the notes of that. So let's start. In the class today I'm going to discuss chapters continuity and differentiability, and you'll have AOD also. I'm going to discuss the expected PYQs, means the pattern should be repeated. Alongside this I have brought with me KCET pattern problems. KCET pattern problems. No basics, nothing, only KCET pattern problems. You will not find any basic questions over here. This is only for KCET, by the way, guys, and I have brought again 40 plus questions, 40 plus problems. Okay, so time to start now. Now question number 1, I would like to know the answer. You know how to do how to go about the class. Simply look at the problem. Question number 1, try to attempt it and see what is the answer and give me in the comment section. Question number 1, answer is this sir. Question number 2, answer is this sir. Okay. All right. So question number 1, what is the answer? Okay, so tan inverse of x the whole square is there. We want to differentiate it, and because then only we can find the second derivative and first derivative. So one way to look at this question is basically finding the first and second derivative and substitute in the expression that they're asking. Or simply what I would recommend is take this as the equation itself and try to simplify. First derivative y1 2 tan inverse of x. This derivative is for what? For the polynomial part. Now you're going to differentiate tan inverse of x also with what? With the chain rule, you'll have 1 by x square, right? And derivative of x is how much? 1. So we won't write over here 1. Now bring this 1 plus x square on this side. So this expression becomes y1 1 plus x square equals to 2 tan inverse of x. Now from here only we're going to use what? On the left hand side we're going to use the product rule. On the over there we're going to use the a chain rule. Okay, let's try from this one again. Okay, we're going to differentiate this. So we'll have y1 as y2. This remains as it is. This time y1 as it is, differentiate that, you'll have 2x, continue 2 times of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, again bring this bracket over here, you get y2 1 plus x square the whole square, 2x times of 1 plus x square y1 equals to 2. Cross check, this is what they're asking you. Please check. This is your expression they were asking, and the answer is nothing but 2, which is my option C. Please check. Yes. Shravya, please check your answer. It is not D beta, it is C. Yeah. Question number 2 then. Pujit Devaya, your answer is correct. Yeah. The function represented by the following graph, continuous but not differentiable at x equals to 1, differentiable but not continuous at x equals to 1. This is a modulus function, by the way, guys. This is a modulus function. Modulus function is at the critical point, at the corner point it is non-differentiable. Corner point over here you can see that it is going to be what? X equals to 1 only. It means at the point 1 it is continuous but not differentiable. So answer is straightforward option A. So some questions are very much straightforward and direct answer. This is a PYQ from 2014, by the way. Correct. Next, third one. Question on your principle of continuity. So from this what we have to find out, limit basically find LHL equal to RHL should be equal to function value at the point 0. When you have this is called as given function to be continuous, right? So how to define this condition? We don't have to find LHL, RHL, simply find the limit of this. Simply find the function's limit of the function 3 sine pi x upon 5x when x tends to 0. Find this limit, and this should be equal to what? F of 0. This should be equal to f of 0. Differentiate this, because we can use what here? LH rule. We can use LH rule. This becomes 3 cos pi x, and derivative of pi x is how much? Simply pi. Over here we have 5. F0 is how much? 2k. You still have over here limit x tends to 0. When you do that, you have the value over here as 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 5, and cos 0 is how much, beta? Pi into 0 is 0 only. So cos 0 is 1. Over here 2k. K value is how much? 3 pi by 10. 3 pi by 10. Option is B. 3 pi by 10. Option is B. Hi sir, B is the answer. Correct. A math learning. Shravya also correct. Chandana also correct. Yeah. Kanyal also correct. Okay. Moving on. Question number 4. I know you're having fun right now because the questions are very easy in nature. But again, I did not make it. It's a PYQ of CET. 3x minus 8 is there. Again, continuous means we know that limit of the function fx when x tends to what? The value 5 is equal to f of 5. Limit I can find from here. Let's say I can find over here RHL limit. And RHL will be what? 2k. F at 5, check here. This is the equal to sign. It means it will become what? 3 times of 5 minus 8. So 2k equals to 15 minus 8. K equals to 7 by 7 by 2. Fourth B is the answer. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes. A. No, A is not the answer. Please check A Math Learning. Answer is option B. This one you solve, please. This question you solve, please. Yeah. Question number 5. I'll give you 15 seconds. 15 seconds to solve it. Question number 5. Question number 5, 15 seconds to solve it, please. Solve it. C, who gave the answer? Vardharaj. Correct answer. Others, have a look. Want to differentiate it? Start from here. Y1. If you're differentiating it, my recommendation will be, before differentiating, right here, y equal to log of 1 minus x square over here and minus sign log of 1 plus x square. Using the simply quotient rule in logs. Differentiate now. One plus x square, 2x. LCM of this is how much? Simply 1 minus x power 4 over here, minus 2x times of 1 plus x square, and over here minus 2x times of 1 minus x square. Okay. If you take minus 2x common, in the numerator you have 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x power 4. What I've done in the numerator, I've taken minus 2x common, okay? So this is cancelled, and my answer is turning out to be derivative y1 is what? Minus 2x into 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus 4x. That's my option C. That's my option C. Yes, yes, A Math Learning, your answer is correct. Answer is C. So 3 of you gave the right answer: Vardharaj, A Math Learning, and Dhanush. Okay. Dhanush 3, I think. Yeah. 5 is done. 6. Anybody has doubt in the previous question? I hope not. Yeah. All right. X is given, y is given. This is a question of parametric form, by the way. Before, what does this mean? Simply first derivative. So they're asking us 1 plus y1 square. Let's find y1 beta first. Y1 will be what? Oh, 1 second. dy by dx will be what? dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Differentiate that. A 3 sine square theta, and differentiate sine, you get cos theta, right? A sine cube becomes 3 sine square theta, and sine becomes cos theta. Over here, A as it is. Differentiate this, you'll have 3 cos square theta, and cos becomes minus sine theta. Cos becomes minus sine theta. Check. A and A cancels. 3 and 3 cancels. This cos cancels extra cos over here, and this sine cancels this extra sine over here. We have the answer as simply minus sine theta by cos theta. So my y1, or the first derivative, is coming as minus tan theta. You're looking for what? You're looking for 1 plus y1 square. So 1 plus tan square, how much is that? Sec square. Option is D. 6th one, everyone clear? 6th one, everyone clear? Correct. D is correct. Superb. Do you guys want more time to solve the questions? Good evening, Alpha. Yeah. So do you guys want more time to solve the questions? If you want, I can stay. I can give you more time as well. If not, I can continue like the same I'm doing. Okay. 6th is clear? Yes. Question number 7. Okay. All of you in the class, go and like this session if you think what we are doing over here is helpful to you. If you don't think it is, let me know what we can do. Sir, please increase the speed. Okay, I'll do that. Question number 7. By the way, we have solved 6 questions in 15 minutes. That's not bad, I guess. Yeah, x1 and 1x, that's p. This is q. Determinant of q, if you're looking for this value, because you have to solve this first. So let's find q value over here, determinant of this particular matrix. Across x, I'm getting x square minus 1, right? X square minus 1. Across minus 1, this term I'm getting what? X minus 1. And across this one, I'm getting what? 1 minus x. 1 minus x, okay? So this gives me x cube minus x plus 1 and 1 minus x. That gives me x cube minus 3x plus 2 is the q value. They're saying that find derivative of q with x. Differentiate that. So we get 3x square minus 3. 2 becomes 0. Take 3 common. You have x square minus 1. Quickly find the derivative of this. You'll get what? P equals to x square minus 1. Hence answer for dq by dx is coming as 3p. 7th is B. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay, a function fx equals to gf of x, where x denotes the greatest integer function, is continuous at what? Answer over here. Question number 8, answer guys, everyone. 2 complaints. I have 2 complaints right now. It's an easy chapter. Only 5-6 students are giving me answers. Still there are more students in the live. Okay. So why only 5-6 are giving the answers? That's my first complaint. Second complaint, why people in the live are not like the class? Do you think what I'm doing is not helpful to you? If not, let me know how it is going to, what can I do to make it helpful? Yes, because we put a lot of efforts coming into the class. Okay, this is weekend, but still we are here to help you out, to cover your syllabus, to help you with the practice of the questions. Theory is done, PU1, PU2, practice is done. What else can we do from our side? And again, it's all for free. So everything that you do, bacha, helps our, helps us keeping motivated. That coming over here over the weekend, whatever it is, day, night, whatever it is, for all of you, we are completely committed. All of our teachers, morning I think you had a live from Somik sir, okay, he's been taking back-to-back classes, okay, Jasmine ma'am was available, Ekta ma'am was available, our whole team is working day and night for your welfare. So if something is not working out, let us know what is not working out, and if something is working out, we would love to see your appreciation, okay, yeah. Yes, thank you so much. No, I'm just saying that if something is not working out, you can tell me honestly, because it's not here. I don't want to waste your time, bacha. If something is not working out, I would like to know what is not working out, okay? Because I remember in my mind, whatever you guys say, I keep it in my mind. For example, I know that you have asked me one requirement, sir, please give me one more video where all the tricks are mentioned. I am working on it. Very soon, in a day or two, I'll bring a session, I'll bring a recorded class in which I'm going to discuss all the tricks which is possible for CET. One of you were asking me, even in the crash course also, that sir, can you please bring the formula sheet? I'm going to bring that as well. So everything that you asked me, I keep that in my mind. It's not like I take it for granted, okay? And somebody who's thinking, sir, you did not give us the PDFs in the WhatsApp channel, but actually the team is not available. There was a big break, 3 days, 4 days. None of them were in the office, okay? Whole team, because there was Good Friday, Saturday also off, Sunday was today is Easter actually, so everybody is on leave, okay? Only teachers we were working over here in the office. That's why we were not getting into touch with the team to help you with the PDFs, okay? It's them that have the access, so we'll go back on Monday and ask them to upload all the PDF of Masterstroke and our classes which has been missed, okay? Yes. I think because the class timing was changed, Alpha, it was 5 p.m. I told you, but I wanted to finish it early, that's why, because I thought it's Sunday, so we can finish it early also. Yes. Alright guys, so let's get back to question number 8 now. Answer for the question number 8. As I mentioned, would like to have more participation in the class. Would like to see, more students answering the questions. Yeah. So, yeah, 8B is the answer. 8B is the correct answer, by the way. How is it? Please check. Fx is gif of x. Gif of x is a function which is this function. Y equal to gif of x is discontinuous. Discontinuous at integers. Any integer you take, it is always discontinuous, okay? Because after the integer, that integral value, if you approach, you get a value which is going to be same as it is. For example, if I go to x tends to 1, okay, y from this side, positive side, y becomes equals to 1. But if I approach the number x tends to 1 from the left hand side, y becomes what? 0. What is y? Y is this. Y is this. That's why they are never equal, okay? The right hand limit, this means what? This represents beta right hand limit and this represents left hand limit. So right hand limit is 1, left hand limit is 0. Of course, the function cannot be, the limit cannot exist. In this case, what we are getting? LHL is not equal to RHL, okay? It means limit does not exist. If limit does not exist, we cannot say limit is equal to the function value, hence continuous. That's why the answer is what? At all the integral value it is not continuous. Only at the non-integral value will be what? Continuous. So answer will be non-integral value 1.5, which is option B. Alongside the answer, concept is over here. Question number 9 now. Okay. Yeah, we can use the graph also. Good. We can use the graph also. For example, anybody wants to use the graph? Go ahead. Use the graph. Yes. Use the graph. For example, this is the graph. Have a look. Whatever you think, any integral value you think will be what? Like this only. This is what, sir? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is what, sir? 1, 2 and 3. This is what, sir? 1, 2, 3. And like this 4 also over here. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 over here. So if you approach, if I take any point, for example, if I take this point, let's say, if I approach this point from this side, what is my answer? 1. Now same thing, if I approach from this side beta, from this, what is the answer? 0. So you can see that at every integral point there is a gap, Zn, Z minus 1. That's why it is not continuous in nature. You can see the break also is there, also called a step function. So please check. Question number 9 now. Yes. What is PSI? Sorry if it's some latest word, I don't know. Little older for your generation's statements, but something is there. Let me know. Vardharaj, is it clear now, beta? Is it clear now when I gave you the explanation? Hi Pradyum, how are you doing? I hope your preparation is going on track. Yes, good to see you too. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Anyone? What is the meaning of PSI? I don't know. Dark fire to tell me that. And others, is it clear now with what I explained right now? Yeah. Hi Bunny. Long time. What happened to you guys? Where are you? I've not been seeing you for a long time. Before boards you were there. After boards completely silent. Preparation going good for CET. X power y e power x minus y is the derivative we are looking for. Okay. X power y e power x minus y is the derivative we are looking for. So for this question, simply whenever you find the exponential function involved, take log on both sides. You'll have y ln x equal to x minus y ln of e, right? Ln of e. This becomes what? Y ln x minus y ln of e is how much? This value is 1. Okay. Let's do one thing. Differentiate this whole thing right now. So we get y as y1, ln x as it is, plus. Okay. Keep y as it is, differentiate ln x, you get 1 by y by x. Over here, x is 1, y is again what? y1. Okay, so we'll keep the y1 terms over here. So I get what? y1 ln x plus 1 equal to what? 1 minus y by x. 1 minus y by x. Okay, and do we have y by x value? From here we have y by x value. Please check. From here we have what is this? Y ln x plus y equal to x. So y is common. Ln x plus 1 equals to x. We have y by x value as 1 upon ln x plus 1. 1 upon ln x plus 1. So we have this value over here. Either you can differentiate this only and get the result, or simply you can substitute it over here. Okay, this value becomes y1 ln x plus 1, 1 minus 1 upon ln x plus 1. So ln x plus 1 minus 1 upon ln x plus 1. 1 and 1 cancels. We have y1 times of ln x plus 1. You can check the step is coming now. Final answer. Yeah. What is this coming as? Separate y1. This is only ln x left in the numerator. Divide by ln x plus 1 the whole square. Again, this is the long method, by the way, guys. This is the method number 1, which is the long method. Short method is this one, method number 2. Okay, in this, differentiate over here itself. You're gonna get what? Bring x on this side. You get y equal to x upon. Have a look. X upon ln x plus 1. So differentiate it. You get dy by dx equals to x derivative is 1. Keep ln x plus 1 as it is. Now differentiate by keeping x as it is. Differentiate ln x plus 1. You will have 1 by x divided by ln x plus 1 the whole square. Check this out. 1 and 1 will cancel because this is nothing but only 1. Answer is ln x upon this whole square. That's the answer, option C. So method 1 is the long method, method 2 is the short method. Your choice. Whichever makes things easier for you. Okay. Alright guys. So I actually went to my village, so I couldn't attend the online classes sessions, but I've never missed the recording video. I would watch it now. I came back, sir, but in last video you were wearing neck. Yeah, I have some problem in my neck. Okay, but it is shorted now. I'm doing better. Yeah, I've recovered now. Okay. Yes, I will repeat, Chandana. Don't worry. I'll repeat, beta. I'll repeat. So I have given you both the methods. Now for all of you, I'm going to solve this question one more time. The question which was over here is x power y. Okay. Sorry guys, be a little patient. I have to solve this question one more time because I can see some of you are confused. X power y and e power x minus y is there, right? Simply take log. So we get y equal to ln x. Sorry, if you take log on both sides, y ln x over here, x minus y ln e value is 1. So we're getting over here y ln x equals to x minus y. Do one thing, bring on this side. We get y times of ln x plus 1 equal to x. Am I right or not? Correct, na? If you move y on this side and take y common, this is what you get. So we get y equal to x upon ln x plus 1. Now differentiate over here only. Derivative of y is what? y1. Differentiate the numerator. You get 1. Keep this as it is. So we have ln x plus 1 minus sign. Differentiate numerator. It is 1. Differentiate this as it is. Now keep numerator as it is. Differentiate denominator. You will get 1 by x. 1 will be 0, so don't write that. And denominator is square. What I'm using? Quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay. Denominator is square. Denominator derivative. X and x cancels. Check over here, please. y1. So first term is ln x plus 1. Other term is simply minus 1. And denominator ln x plus 1 the whole square. Can you see the answer now, Chandana? Can you see the answer now, beta? Please check. So everybody, sir, you take too long time to this question. KCET there 1 minute only. This approach will take 1 minute to solve. I can solve this question within 1 minute, but you will not understand. Then what? Okay. because I am not to solve the question in 1 minute. I am here to help you solve the question in 1 minute. There's a difference, okay? If I create, disturbances for you, then you'll be disturbed for a long time. You cannot get the answer right in the examination. Yeah, Gagandeep. Yes sir, going good, solving MCQs every day, got into NMIT but preparing for KCET for better college. Good, keep working hard, Pradyum. Okay, yes. Paper is limited, what is the meaning of that? No, I am saying that, so of course I can solve this within 1 minute. In that case, you will not get the question, if I skip some steps, let me just try in some question, then you'll see. Okay, let me solve this question in 1 second. Answer is option D. Answer is option D. So 1 second, answer is there. How we solved it? Gagandi, please tell me. Yes. So solving the question is not a problem over here. How to solve it is very important. So how would you solve this question, by the way? Again, two methods are there. Method number one. Method number one is you take log on both sides. Log on both sides and proceed. This will take forever. Method number two. Whenever you have the bases in product and bases in sum over here, bases in product, bases in sum, and powers in product and powers in sum, simply the answer is always what? Always what? Y by x. That's your method, trick over here. Question number 10 is a trick question. Have a look, guys. Yeah. Yes. So I hope things you're getting, bacha, over here. Yeah. 1.5 days left for what, Pradyun? The paper will be easy or tough, sir? I hope it is tough. If it is easy, what happens? No, if the paper is very easy, then the cutoff goes very high. Okay, I hope the paper is tough, because when the paper is tough, good student gets to score, because their preparation is up to the mark. It means of course they will do well. If paper is easy, then everybody scores high, and then the cutoff becomes very high, and the top colleges cutoff is away from all of you. So for when a paper is of moderate to difficult category, then the clarity is much better. So I hope the paper is not very easy, but not much difficult exams. Sir, KCET exam have 5 question gap. There, how manage to solve? I am not getting the question only. Oh, result, yes, result is coming. Yeah, result is coming. Sorry. Yes, result is coming. Don't worry, we have done good work, okay, in our board's preparation. So you'll all do fun, fantastic in that. And when you come and if you get to meet us, then do come with the sweets, okay? I'll have a lot of them on that day. Yes, I remember you were working day and night before your boards. So I hope you did really good, okay? Yeah. Okay, question number 11 now. This is the easy question again. So you go about this problem, x square plus y square equals to tan of alpha. Differentiate this. 2x, 2y, dy by dx is what, beta? 0, tan alpha is a constant. Take 2 common and you can divide on this side. So basically this 2 and 2 can be taken common and divide over here, or bring basically on this one. Your choice. That's minus 2x. This goes over here and the answer becomes, derivative is minus x by y. So basically that's what I'm telling you. So not all questions are lengthy. Okay, not all questions are lengthy. So we know the classification: 20 easy problems, 25 moderate questions, and 15 questions will be almost difficult ones. We can solve this in 10 to 20 seconds. This in, let's say, 45 to 40 to 50 seconds, and this, out of this we have to solve only 5 to 6 questions, 5 to 8 questions, let's say we solve, and that we can take to how much, to 1 to 2 minutes. That's how we should practice. And how we practice this? By using lot of mock test, only for KCET. This is my strategy. If I was writing exam right now, I'll do this. Okay, so when results come, actually after our CT examination, we arrange a meet session with all of our students. We actually have a lot of prizes also, so you get to know more about that later. So that comes, we organize it, we give you all Google form, and we organize the event. You all come and meet us, and there we have pictures, nice talk, everything, lunch. If it is a day event, lunch, evening event, then snacks or dinner. Okay, so that is that we do after the CT examination, after the all of that is done. Now where we can meet, actually something is something going on actually for 10th students. So we are because 10th students are finding it difficult to choose the stream after 10th class. Okay, so we are actually creating an event every Sunday in our one of the centers. Okay, so stay tuned on our channel, we'll let you know. We are actually organizing events every Sunday. If not Sunday, every Sunday means alternate Sundays, where you can all come and ask us your doubts, your clarity that you need. So we are creating a free counseling sessions, okay, for all of you at our one of the centers in Bangalore, JP Nagar. Okay, so yes, yeah. So anybody has any doubt? Sir, can you give any grand test papers? We can afford any batches, sir. We have given, you know, beta 999 is the 999 is the mock test. 999 is the mock test. We call it ABHYAS test series. Okay. This has total of 30 mock test in it, 30 plus mock test in it, including part syllabus test and full syllabus test. So you can refer this one. It's a very good test series. And you have how much time? You have 18 days before your CET. 18 days you have. You can attempt, even if you can attempt 18 papers out of this. Okay, because last year your toppers attempted 5 to 6 papers out of this 30, and they got outstanding, you know, feedback from the test series. If you can attempt 15 to 18 papers, think about it. And others you can solve as practice. 30 papers, 60 questions, so many questions each. Think about it. How good this will be. So we have a ABHYAS test series for all of you. Okay, ABHYAS test series is going at 999. I hope you have taken it when you have already taken it. Yes. Yes, Gagandeep, please go ahead and ask. Sir, KCET have 5 questions for rough work and they did not give paper to solve questions, sir. Okay, we'll have to check upon that. But think, Sri, where are you leaving? Yeah. Alright, guys. Gagandeep, give me some time. I'll get back to you on that. Today only, I'll get back to you on that, okay? Okay. But what I knew from last year, they used to provide some rough work papers. We'll see. Answer is A. Math Learning saying answer is D, sir. D is correct answer. See, this is what happens. So others are busy. Okay, I also got distracted. Okay, and out of nowhere, one of the students gave me the right answer. Means few of you, even though in the talks they are also working. Okay, that's what makes a difference. Okay, and if the answer has not been come from an AI tool, it means that person, the student, is actually working hard, trying to get better. So all of you, please do the same. How would you do this question? Outside we have beta tan inverse. I have to make this into tan. How do you make this into tan? Divide everything by cos. Sin x by cos x. Cos x by cos x is 1. Same over here, cos x by cos x is 1. And this will be what? Sin x by cos x again. No price over here. It becomes tan x, tan x. So we have tan x plus 1 and 1 minus tan x. So if I replace this one by, have a look, tan of pi by 4, will I be wrong? And I can multiply tan x into 1, right? So right here, tan of pi by 4. I won't be wrong, right, if I do that? If I multiply tan by 4 over here, I will not be wrong. Okay? So it means tan of x plus pi by 4. That's the bracket inside the tan inverse. Now apply tan inverse on this. So y is, sir, tan inverse of tan of x plus pi by 4. Operate tan inverse tan. You only have x plus pi by 4 left. You're looking for derivative. You all have the answer. X will become 1, constant will be 0. Hence answer is option D. Hence answer is Option D. Hi Vicky, okay. Correct, Rohan, that's what I knew. That's what I also think, because they provide the space in the paper itself. But there, I think he was saying that there's no space itself provided. Okay. So I'll check it up. If some change is there, we'll let you know. Any change that comes for CET, any update that comes for CET, be assured on our channel Deeksha Karnataka will be taken care of. Nothing will go unnoticed. Okay. Don't worry about that. Can't we take minus out so that both numerator and denominator gets cancelled out? No. If you take minus sign common over here, if you're saying that, it will become sine minus cos. It is not sine minus, it is going to be simply what? Sine plus cos, no? Numerator is sine plus cos, not sine minus cos. Is the question not visible, Alpha? Once more repeat, sir. But I have done nothing. Basically, outside I have tan inverse. Tan inverse operates on what? Only on tan. So I have to make inside tan. So divided sine by cos. Everything by cos only. Sine by cos by cos is 1. Cos by cos is 1. Sine by cos is again tan. 1 I am writing here as tan pi by 4. Tan 45 is how much? 1 only. And over here I am multiplying with 1 and writing this 1 by pi by 4. I can multiply anything by 1, right? It remains same. Tan pi by 4. This is the formula for tan a plus b. This is the formula for tan a plus b. So write that tan of a plus b. Tan inverse operates. I have only a plus b. Now differentiate it. X will be 1. Pi by 4 will be 0. Answer is what? Option D. Question number 13 now. 13 everybody should give answer. Correct. 13 everybody should give right answer. So as I mentioned, everybody who is looking to practice, 13 give me the answer and listen to me also. If you're looking to practice, you can take ABHYAS test series. And if somebody feels that you have the gap in the concept, because I saw someone, Shravya was asking, sir, from where, he was asking actually A math learning, from where can we solve this question this fast, how can we prepare for it? So if you have still some queries and you think you can work hard, I know the class course started at least on 21st of March. Almost 10 days, more than 10 days are gone actually. But still, if you want, you can take KC30 crash course. I think if the admission is still open, because I think it might be closed also. In this crash course, you're getting this at 1,999. The price is reduced, okay? And in this, everything is covered. PYQ, theory, mock test, DPP, all things is covered, okay? So if you want, you can take it up, or simply if you think your preparation is good, you can take ABHYAS test series. Okay, guys? Do not joke around. If you really want to make some difference, you need to practice a lot. Price I have mentioned over here. In this you get 30 mock test. In this you get different 10 mock test. Okay, and of course in this you get PYQs, solutions, you get theory, you get DPPs, all of this. And you get in this also live classes. All is there. Okay, guys? So if somebody is, whichever thing you need, whatever you need to do and make your preparation better take that only. There's no pressure, there's no, I'm not asking you to do this much. If you already doing good, don't take any of these. Okay, if your preparation is going good on track, if you need help from me, you can do whichever feels best to you, you can do that. Okay, there's no pressure, there's nothing like that. Okay, this is all for your welfare. There's nothing like that, sir, I want you to do a crash course and test series right now. But since I know this is a must, so if you can actually trust my words, I'll say take to this 100%. Take this, not even 100, 2000, 200, whatever it is. Take this, very, very important. A phenomenal test series. Okay, nobody will give you as good a test series as this one. No mistake, we have gone through question to question. Every paper, all teachers have reviewed it. No mistake, as per the latest syllabus, we have worked day and night to make this the best. Of course, we did not create it. Our very senior faculty members who've been working at Deeksha have created the test series. But yes, we've been, we have verified it also from our side. But yeah, very, very phenomenal test series. Getting it, guys? Okay. Yeah, you get, no, I think I took a class day before yesterday, Friday I took. Right, today morning, afternoon, Swamik sir took the live doubt class over there. Yeah, then everything is going on track, you don't take anything. If everything is going on the track and you are preparing well, going everything as per the plan, getting all the questions in the mock test, if you are consistently scoring in all the mock tests that you are writing, if you're scoring anything above 120 to 140, you're going good actually. Okay, if the mock test is standard. All right. Some glare is coming from where? I'm not sure. Okay. Yes, guys. Moving on. Question number 13. Anybody has the answer? Yeah. That also is very good actually. It's very, very good. Not bad at all. Yeah. Superb actually. Yes. Just next, but there are some mistakes over there, because when we were using it also for our references, we have seen there were many mistakes. So I hope you were able to find that. Okay. But I was referring few years back, not the recent ones. So maybe they have rectified that. I'm not saying there is a mistake still. I have been using that a few years back, so I saw some of the mistakes were there, actually quite a bit. But now I think they have rectified it. B is right. B is correct, no? B is correct. Because you don't worry about this one, because everything has same derivative, all the options. So worry about this, x power a times of x power a minus 1, a power x, ln of a. This one, sir, 0. So answer becomes what? B. 14th one. Question number 14. They are good. They are good, Mr. Shrikant. They are good. They're not bad at all. Yes. Yes. A is the right answer. 14th. A is the right answer. How to solve it? Please check cos minus sine. It's in the modulus. But at pi by 6, where is pi by 6, sir? Cos graph is like this. Sine graph is okay, like this. Yeah. And this value is, sir, pi by 4. So pi by 6 will come before this, right? This is going to be the pi by 6 value, because pi by 4 is, sir, 45 degrees, pi by 6 is, sir, 30 degrees. So this case, cos is here and sine is here. Means at pi by 6, cos x is more than sine x. So cos x minus sine x is more than 0. That's positive value. So clearly my modulus will be what? Simply free from, this is a modulus value, right? So simply come out as it is. No change in the modulus. Look, in this question, even if you don't know the concept behind this, works. But what if they give you this question? Sin x minus cos x in the modulus. Then what's going to happen? Then what's going to happen? Will you take the same? No. That's why I explained you this concept also. Whenever you're doing this kind of problem, understand how it comes. Okay? Yeah. Differentiated beta. Cos becomes minus sine. Sine becomes cos. Put the value. Yeah. 30 degree. So minus 1 by 2. Minus root 3 by 2. Take common, answer is option A. No problem. Yes. Yeah. All right. No, I would not recommend you to, that is, Alpha, I would not recommend you to, use other publications. That is a decent one, what you said. I'll not mention the name, but that is a good one that you're referring. And even, actually, Deeksha Vedantu book is, PYQ book itself is very, very good, because that is from the last 20 years. You'll not find that anywhere. And in that also, we have taken care of all the PYQs, okay? So we have taken care of everything which is there, and we have also taken care of deleted portions over there. Nothing from the deleted portions are mentioned over here. Okay, that has been taken out of the PYQs. One more thing, you get a summary of all the chapters. That is only for PCM, and you get, I think, some mock tests also you get over there. I don't remember the number of mock tests, but some of the mock tests are over here. Sorry, I don't remember it right now. But yes, Vedantu PYQ book is very, very good. Okay. But if you order right now, it will take some time to be delivered. I think 4 or 5 days. If you can order, go ahead with it. Okay. Yes, but I would not ask you to use any other book than what you were mentioning. These two are pretty decent book. Okay, and NCERT exemplar is very good. NCERT is good. This question over here, we have x. Waiting for the trick. Another trick comes, sir. Trick is here, sir. What is the trick? If you have some function f plus some function f plus some function f and so on till infinite number of terms, and this is what, some function y actually, then y dash is given by f dash upon y dash is given by f dash upon 2y minus 1. Apply in this question, please. What is f beta? F is just x, means my dy by dx will become derivative of x. How much is that? 1. Answer is option D. 2 seconds question. 1 second to read it, 1 second to get the answer. Anybody has any problem with understanding the trick over here? Nobody has this problem. Good. At least 10 years. At least 10 years. 5 years is not going to be just enough. Please solve at least 10 years. Yeah. 5 years is very less actually. Yeah. Question number 16 now. Similar question, continuity. We're going to define this. So we'll have a limit of ln x upon x minus 1, x tends to 1, and this is what, equal to f of 1, right? Apply here the LH rule and solve it. I will not solve, I would want you to solve first, so please give me the answers. I've given you the way, but give me the answer, please. Yes. I have no idea from where this glare is coming on the screen. Is it from here actually? Yeah. So the light was getting reflected from my phone and that was coming over here. Okay. Is this better now? I think this is better. Yes, guys. That becomes, for that questions we have other trick also. Okay, for that question we have polynomial trick. So just wait for some time. Let me give the trick of all the functions which is possible for KCET. Then you will have the understanding of that. Okay. So this is for SK. For infinity form we have a different trick. Okay. Yeah. Yes. B is the right answer, by the way. Differentiate this, we get 1 by x. Over here we get simply 1 equal to f of 1 is how much? K. Limit still exists, x minus 1. X tends to 1, put here. We get 1 by 1 by 1 equals to k. Clearly the value of k is how much? 1. So B is correct. B is correct. 17th one now. Yes. Just give me some time. I think by in the coming week, this in 2-3 days, I will be able to give you the trick video. Okay, Pakka. I don't want to miss out on anything. I want to give you all the questions which is possible to solve with the trick. So just give me some time, please. Request you. Next one. Yeah. In this problem, a very good question, by the way, guys. Very good question. Take this 2 power x plus 1 beta as 2 power x into 2. I hope this makes sense. Now in this you take 2 power x as substitution of tan theta. The fraction that you have, 2 power x plus 1 upon 1 plus 2 power x the whole square becomes 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and this is nothing but a formula of sine 2 theta, sine in terms of tan, sine 2 theta. Now the question that you have, so fx equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. This value becomes what? Simply 2 theta fx is given. Now differentiate this please. F dash of x, so 2 times of, if tan theta is 2 power x, tan theta is 2 power x, means theta will be tan inverse of 2 power x. Excuse me. 1 second. Yeah. Let's erase this. Two tan inverse of x. The differentiator over here, f dash of x becomes 2 times of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Sorry guys, my bad, full wrong. This 2 power x is there, no? So we get 1 upon 1 plus 2 power x the whole square. That's what tan inverse. With differentiating 2 power x, we get 2 power x ln 2. I hope it is clear now. What I've done, 2 power x is there, I took it as x actually. Tan inverse of 2 power x will come now from here. Now, please simplify. You're getting 2, write the constant together. So 2 ln 2, 2 power x upon 1 plus 2 power x the whole square, and this is what, f dash of x. As if you put 0 now, if you put this as 0, what will happen? Check. Check this out. 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 0 the square. This becomes 2 ln 2. 2 power 0 is how much? 1. And over here 1 plus 1 square. How much is 1 plus 1 square? Again 2 only. So this 2 and this whole thing cancels. My answer is coming as simply ln 2. That is nothing but option C. Correct. I know. I got it wrong. My bad. C is the answer, by the way. C is the answer. So I took initially x over here. That was wrong, by the way. Yeah. Next question, guys. 18th one. So I really expect that nobody has doubt in the previous one. Let's solve the 18th one. 18th one I will not solve. You can give me the answer because I know you all can solve it. 18th one, everybody please solve. So we are halfway down the line. Just 40 questions are there. No, more than half actually. We have to go. And if you just be consistent in the same way, we can finish this before 6:37 if we go without break. Okay? Yes. B is the answer. Others, why others are not giving me answers? Only Gagan. Just Gagan, I got your answer. You can just keep it once. B is the right answer. How would you go about this? dy by dx is what? dy by d theta dx by d theta. What is this called as? Parametric form. Differentiate please. Why with this? You get a 2 tan theta and derivative of tan sec square theta. Over here, please check a 2 sec theta and derivative of sec will have sec theta tan theta. So a cancel, 2 cancel, sec into sec square cancel, tan and tan also cancel. My first derivative is coming as a constant which is 1. Second derivative will be how much? Of course 0. So option B was the right answer. Yeah. A math learning is playing, with me KBC. Is the answer fixed? Computer ji log this answer, right? So A math learning, which is Vicky is playing the KBC. Kaun banega crorepati with me, right? Okay. Yes. Yeah, these are easy questions only. The chapter, as I mentioned, though there are 2 parts of calculus, differential and integral. Differential in your syllabus is very easy. Yeah. I have not given you this questions on purpose. PYQ sir, 2019. The previous one was from which year? 2019 again. See this. Not only they give you easy question, they give you more than one easy question actually. This one, same condition, apply LH rule. So sin 3x will become what? Cos 3x into 3 e power 2x into 2. And this is what equal to k minus 2. We have a limit x tends to 0. We can put that now? Yes. We can substitute that now. So 3 by 2 is a constant outside. Cos 0 will be 1. And e power 0 will be also be 1. K minus 2. This is what? 3 by 2 equals to k minus 2. So 1.5 plus 2 equal to k. So k equal to, excuse me, k equal to 3.5. That's 7 by 2. Dead easy. In your words. No tea break, sir. We'll go without break in this class. No tea break. We'll finish this off. Come on. Very easy question. What is the break? 1 hour you'll get tired. If you want, you can have the tea on your table. Please ask your, whoever is giving you the tea to give you over here itself on the table. Okay. Similar question again. You can see the same pattern repeats. Answer over here, guys. So 1 minus cos will become what? 0 cos becomes minus sine, so minus of minus sine kx into k. This becomes what? X sin x is there, right? So x becomes 1 and we have sine as sine only. And this time x is as it is, sine as cos. So x cos x we have. We have limit x tends to 0 still. And this is equal to what? 1 by 2. I've used LH rule once. Use one more time. You get this value as, have a look, k, this is going to be plus, right? Sine becomes cos kx, and you'll have one more k if you differentiate kx over this. Sine x becomes what? Cos x, and this will become what? X will be 1 times of cos x, 1 times of cos x, and we'll have plus x as it is. Cos becomes minus sine. I've taken derivative inside the limit. Limit remains same. Now put x as 0. K into k is what, beta? K square. Cos 0 into k. So cos 0 is 1. Divide by cos 0 is 1. Here also cos 0 is 1. And that's going to be what? 0 into something. 0 only. So 1 by 2. Come back here. K square by 2 is what? 1 by 2. 2 cancels. K square is 1. K value is plus minus 1. K value is plus minus 1. Answer is C. Gagandeep has given yes, Sanjirao, it depends upon what is your score. If you're getting 90-92, close to that, don't have to actually do that. 4-5 marks, I know it matters, but if you're getting 75-80 marks, then yes, certainly go for the improvement. Okay, it depends, because no, in maths boards is easy to score than CET, so try to get, and they have equal weightage, 50% over here, 50% over there, so try to understand. High score is very, very important. Otherwise, even if you score good in CET, and people who have good score in PCM will get a better college than you. Okay, that's very good then. 90 to 95 is very good. No need to have any problem with it. Yeah, that's very good. Gagandeep. Answer for 21. Anybody answer for 21? Sir, A. A is the answer. Is it? I'll check. I don't know. So f of x we need. Let me start with over here only. X as 1 second, x as tan theta, so 2x upon 1 plus x square becomes 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this value is what? Sine 2 theta. This value is sine 2 theta. So my fx is going to be sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Am I right? But root 3 is out of the domain. Please check. Because for this condition, this value, sine inverse of sine x, okay, this value beta, this value is x when x belongs to what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But root 3 is not giving you that value. That's not true. That's not giving you that value. Okay, so of course that is for x over here, and we are going for the angle, but still not going to be the result over here. Reason, if you see over here, if you take the angle value of that also, no, this will give you out of that, it is more than 1. Think logically. Root 3 is how much? 1.732. It is more than 1. Will not work. And okay, and if you check the angle wise, it will be what? Of course, you know, this value in this case 2 theta will lie from where to where? After pi by 2, sorry, excuse me, this value over here is more than pi by 2 and less than 3 pi by 2. So this is lying over here. In this case, this result becomes what? It becomes pi minus 2 theta. That's my fx. That's my fx. Now you check. Differentiate it now. So fx is going to be pi minus 2 times of sine inverse of x, because if x is, sorry, tan inverse, no? Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of x. Okay, now you differentiate this, you'll get f dash of x as 0 minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. So f dash at root 3 becomes minus 2 upon 1 plus root 3 square is how much? 3. So minus 2 upon 4, and the answer is minus 1 by 2. So the answer becomes for this question option D, not option A. So SK, please check. The whole situation is over here. Everything that you need to understand. Over here, please check. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Correct. Yeah. A math learning, please check. Answer should be option D. Okay. Question number 21 is option D. 22 now. A local minimum value of the function given by fx is this. Minimum value of this function. What is that going to be? Graph, if you want to understand, mod of x. That's the graph of mod of x. 3 added means what? The graph is moving upward. The graph moved, this was 0, right? Now it starts from 3. So this is your graph. This is the graph of 3 plus mod x. The minimum value is over here, which is 3. This is the minimum value. Okay, hence answer will be what? B. Answer is B. Correct. Yeah. Okay. 23 now. Okay, now AOD questions, guys. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake where waves move in circles at the speed of 5 cm per second. At that instant, when the radius of circular wave is 8 cm, waves are moving. So first wave will be like this, like this, like this. So basically it moves from here to here, then here, and like this. So there's a difference in radius. So what they have given over here is this. dr by dt is given as 5 centimeters per second. At that instant, when the radius of circle wave is, okay, they've given r also, 8 centimeters. how fast the enclosed area is increasing. So they are asking us dA by dt. So derivative of what? Please check. Area of a circle. So pi r square. Differentiate please. So pi into 2r, and of course by chain rule dr by dt. So pi r is how much? 8. And this value is how much? 5. So 5 into 2 is 10. Answer comes as 80 pi centimeter square per second. Option is D. 23 is D. Yes, I'll repeat A math learning. 1 second beta. 1 second. Yeah, let me give work to others also. 23 is done. 24 now. 24, all of you please solve. Let me just go back and explain 21 for anybody who did not understand. Okay, 24 is clear. 23 is answer D. 24 please solve. Okay, 21 I'm solving right now. 21 is over here. Yeah, 21, this question was sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay, so sine inverse of sine, let's say angle A is I'm talking about, right? Then this operates as A, this comes out as A if the A lies from where to where? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But the question which was given to us, okay, of course we have taken root 3. So in the question the root 3 is given for x, okay, and we've taken x as tan theta. Okay, taken x as tan theta. Alright, but this value of 2 theta, no, if you take for root 3, will come between what and what? With the quadrant pi by 2 more than pi by 2 to plus pi, no? So this will be what? Between 2, please check. Okay, one more thing. I know what is the confusion. I get you A math learning. You are saying that sir root 3 is theta. So tan x is, please everyone pay attention on this, just 1 minute. Tan x will be what, sir? If root 3 means x value is what, sir? Excuse me, is this correct? Or tan theta should be x? Tan theta should be x, my bad. Yeah. Yeah. Excuse me guys, sorry. Tan theta is x, sir. And if x is root 3, sir, then tan theta is what, sir? Theta value should be pi by 3. Theta is pi by 3 means how much is beta? 2 theta? 2 pi by 3. A math learning, Vicky, is it correct? If theta is 60 degrees, 2 theta is what? 120 degrees. At 120 degree lie from where to where? After pi by 2 to which interval? Because sine theta has a fixed interval, sir, if you remember. Sine theta, the interval for inverse is this only. Right or not? So if you are going before this, because for inverse we have to make it 1 1 on 2 if you remember. For inverse function we have to make it 1 1 on 2. So this is the sine function we wrote. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But if you want to go from here, then you have to go what? Please check. Like this. This will be your pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. So this value that you have 2 theta lies where and where? Pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. It lies in this domain actually. So if this lies over here, then answer becomes what? Then this value becomes pi minus 2 theta. So pi minus 2 tan inverse of x. Getting it, Vicky? Is this clear, Vicky? Let me know. A math learning, Vicky, is it making sense to you now? Okay. Got it? Better because theta value is pi by 3, 60 degrees. How come, sir? They're talking about when x is root 3. Then of course 2 theta is how much? 120. And 120 lies where? After 90 degrees. Check the quadrant. No, this is my 120 degrees angle. Right? This is pi by 2, sir. Correct, na? Okay. Right or not? Right or not? Have a look. Yeah. Okay. So this was the clarification why I changed this. That was not the solution, guys. That was the clarification why this is true. Why this is true is what we required over here. Okay. Let's move on, beta. 21 is done. 22 is also done. 23 is D, I hope you all got it. 24th one now. 24th one is C. Yes, NCERT question only, but yeah, your KCET is based upon NCERT, correct? Somebody was saying NCERT question, sir? Please solve it, Vicky. Yeah. Manikanta was saying, okay, 1 by 90 pi is correct. That's right, Manikanta. And SK, yes, SK, it is correct. It is going to be a NCERT problem. How do we solve it? Balloon which is always remaining spherical. This is a, by the way, board question, okay? Inflated by pumping in 10, so this is your volume change. Pumping the volume means this is the volume change. 10 centimeter per cube per second, okay? The rate of change of the radius, when the radius is given as 15, so R is given as 15. Volume formula is, it's a sphere. 4 by 3 pi r cube, differentiated now. So 4 by 3 pi 3 r square, dr by dt derivative is this only, 3 and 3 cancels. 4 pi r square dr by dt. We have the value now, 10, 4 pi, r is 15, so 225 dr by dt. Please check. 4 into 25, 4 into 200 is 800, 25 into 4 is 100. Listen to me. 4 into 200 is how much? 800. 25 into 4 is 100. It means 225 into 4 is 900. So write this as 10 upon 900 pi is dr by dt, and from here only your answer comes as option C. Answer is option C. Guys, more participation please. Yeah. Better, because I will not come back and teach you these many questions from all of these chapters one more time. We don't have much time, okay? When I bring out your marathon classes before your CET, I'll take only few questions. So you are not getting the importance of this session right now. You will understand it later, when nobody will come and teach you these questions chapter wise live and discuss that out with you. So please participate, okay? Doesn't matter you are 5 in the class, 15 in the class, 500 in the class, does not matter. Whoever in the class, try to, give me answers. I want to know. First, without making mistake, nobody learns. So make that mistake. Even if it is wrong, you will know, okay, I got this question wrong. See, once Vicky got one question wrong right now, but after I clarified it, once he looked at the right answer, now he will remember this question forever. So that's why it's very important to make your own mistake. Okay? Minimum value of this function. Minimum value. So one way to solve this question is, this is a parabola, find the vertex. If somebody is doing that, also correct. Basically, find minus b by 2a value. So minus of minus 8 by 2 into 1, that becomes how much? 8 by 2, how much is that? 4. So just find the f of 4 and you get the answer as 16 minus 32 plus 17. 33 minus 32, answer is 1. How can I say that, sir? Because it is a parabola, upward parabola, coefficient of x2 is positive. Upward parabola, the minimum value occurs at minus b by 2a and f of minus b by 2a. Okay, minus b by 2a and f of minus b by 2a. This is what it occurs. This is the method number 1, by the way, guys. Method number 2 now, derivative approach. Find f dash of x. This becomes beta 2x minus 4 equal to 0. X equals to 4 by, minus 8 equal to 0. 2x equals to 8. So x equals to 4. X is 4. Now again find f of 4, because this is only one critical point. It has to be minima only. So 16 minus 32 plus 17, answer is 1. Whichever method you choose, your choice, but answer is C, which is 1. Make sense, guys? Your choice, your choice. Done, done, done. Shravya, beta, please check it's not B, it's C. Yeah. It is C. Yeah. This is the AOD method, no? Okay. Your choice. 26. Rate of change of area of a circle. with radius only. Oh nice, this is an easy question. Pi r square we have. Area of a circle is pi r square. They're asking us dA by dr. Okay, with radius only. So we get 2 pi r, 2 into pi r. R value is given as 2. Answer is 4 pi. D. 5-second question, by the way. Yes. Superb. Good job, everyone. So everyone, please, if you have watched me only once in the 15-day challenge, watch these live classes again. You can just remove the talks in between, discussions in between. Just at least solve the questions. Okay, get the PDFs and solve. Watch me solve the questions, and you also solve it. You will not get another opportunity to solve these questions one more time on our channel. We don't have much of time left. I'll go into the marathons now after these the remaining 2 lives. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the chapters anymore. So this is the last time. Please sincerely make an effort to learn all these questions. Function given over here is strictly increasing. Find derivative 2x plus 2 equal to 0. What is the step called as? Finding the critical point. Finding the critical point, also called as stationary point. Okay, your choice. From here you get x value as -1. Number line you plot. -1, minus infinity, plus infinity. In the derivative that you have, listen to me. In the derivative that you have, check the coefficient. Coefficient is what? Positive. So put a plus sign on the right hand side. Now the power of the factor is what? Only 1, which is the odd factor. So sign changes. I'll repeat one more time. Differentiate, put it equal to 0 to find the critical point. Step number 2. In the derivative, check the coefficient of x. It should be always positive. If it is positive, then start with plus sign over here. If the coefficient is negative, net coefficient, not only 1. Let's say if I have 2 minus x and 1 minus x. What's the coefficient over here, guys? Tell me. You can write this as minus of x minus 2, and over here minus of x minus 1. This minus becomes what? Plus. So here the coefficient of x is what? Positive. But if I take a question like this, 4 minus x and x minus 1, then the coefficient will be what? Negative in nature. Here the coefficient is minus. Here it is plus. So we're going to look for net coefficient of x, plus or minus. If it is plus, plus sign over here. Negative, then put negative sign over here. Now whichever factor has given the critical point, some factor will give the critical point, right? From this factor we got the critical point. Whichever factor has given the critical point, check that factor's power. If the power here, which is 1, is odd, if the power is odd, sign changes. The sign goes from plus to minus because of odd power of factor. Which factor? Which gives you this critical point. Very, very important. Okay, the concept of AB curve method. Now plus and minus, what does this plus means? It means in this area f dash of x is positive. In this area negative means f dash of x is negative. The question is asking what? Strictly increasing, sir. Strictly increasing means more than 0. Write the interval. -1 to infinity. Why not close here, sir? Because the question says strictly increasing, and the option is like this. We have an option where minus is close, and so -1 is open and -1 is close. So from option A and D, I'll choose option A. If there was no option, then of course I have to choose D only. Strictly increasing, if you have option, go for the open bracket. Clear? Clear. Anybody has doubt in this question? I explain you right now A math learning the same problem. Please follow that step. Yeah. Next. 27th one is done, 28th one. Again in this question I have given you many information. how to go about finding critical point, taking the coefficient plus on this side and minus on this side, everything. I've taken the examples also over here, examples for what? Examples of coefficient of x. This was the example number 1 and example number 2. Okay, so understand this. 28 now. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area. Okay, the volume with surface area. So volume with, let's say I go with R only, and I go ds with R only. Differentiating what? Volume of a sphere, right? The derivative of 4 pi, this will be becoming what? 4 by 3 pi 3r square upon, this will become what? 4 pi, derivative of r square is how much? 2r, because volume is, sir, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area is, sir, 4 pi r square. Check here please, this 3 and this 3 cancels. I'm getting 4 pi r square by 8 pi r. 4 pi, this cancels with this 2, r cancels over here. Answer is coming as r by 2. R is given as 4 here, guys. It means it becomes 4 by 2 is 2. It is volume by surface, so centimeter cube by centimeter square. Do not write a centimeter only, it's not getting cancelled. Okay, answer is option A. Yes. For comet K, at least 120 plus 120, 130, because you're looking for CS, okay, in the top 5 colleges. Yeah. 130. Good evening, Prajwal. Yeah. 28 is A. 29 now. The maximum value of 1 by x, again same approach. Fx is given, 1 by x power x is there. Take basically you can write this as, one second, write it as y. Now take ln y, it will become x ln 1 by x, okay, or simply x ln of x power minus 1, right? Differentiate now, 1 by y dy by dx, over here x becomes 1 ln x power minus 1 as it is, and we have plus sign x as it is. Differentiating this will give me what? Ln will become, check here, 1 by x only, right? Yeah, something is missing. X by minus 1 by x, I can take this as minus 1 over here. I think that is better. Yeah, that is better. One second, guys. Write this as, if you take ln over here, you'll get what? Ln of x power minus x actually, and this comes out, so this becomes minus x ln x. That is easy to solve. Okay, keep my sign outside. X will be 1 ln x plus x as it is, 1 by x. This is easy to solve, right? Yeah. So you get dy by dx equal to this y goes over here, so y times of minus y times of ln x plus 1. Okay. Now to find any maxima, we have to put it equal to 0, by the way, guys. Okay, we have to put the derivative equal to 0, the critical point. So we have minus 1 by x power x into ln x plus 1 is 0. The first factor is what? Exponential function. This will be never 0. So only this bracket can be 0. So from here you can get ln x plus 1 equal to 0. So we get ln x equals to minus 1. So x equals to what? E power minus 1. That is how much? 1 by e. Now in this question we have only one critical value, so we'll put that in the function. The function was 1 by x power x. So we get 1 by e power 1 by e. 1 by e is nothing but inside e, and outside we have 1 by e. That's option C. That's option C. explain 20th. Okay, Shravya, I'll explain that. Yeah, C is correct. 28th, this is easy one, no? Differentiate. So volume formula is this only, 4 by 3 pi r cube. Surface area formula is 4 pi r square. Okay, differentiate the volume, you'll get 4 by 3 pi r cube will become 3r square. 3r square. Differentiate surface area, it becomes what? 4 pi r square becomes 2r. 2r only. Everything is cancelled. We have only r by 2 left. R is given as 4. Answer becomes 4 by 2 is 2. Option A. 30th one. Stationary point is same as the critical point, by the way, guys. Yeah? Yes. Come on. Everyone in this class, go and like this particular session if you found whatever I'm doing over here helpful. Okay? So finding the critical point will be what? Okay, sorry. Take derivative. Differentiate it now. So 1 by y dy by dx 1 into ln x plus x into 1 by x, x cancels. Derivative is coming as y goes over here. So y is nothing but x power x. So write x power x ln x plus 1 equal to 0 for finding the critical point or stationary point. This is exponential function, can never be 0. From here you can get only 1, which is ln x plus 1 is 0. From here we just remember x was coming as 1 by e, just the previous question. If you took this one, you got x value as 1 by e. Answer for this question is B. 30 is B. That is B. Good, Prajwal. Yes, Gagandeep correct, Chandana correct, SK correct, Prajwal correct. Okay. Good evening, sir. Sorry for late. Ali, hi, Mir Zafar. It's okay. You can watch it later, but please watch it because as I was mentioning to everyone, you will not get a second chance to watch all these questions one more time. Okay, I will not come back live one more time to solve all the questions again. Of course, I'll be doing marathons, but it might not be including all the questions because in every class I've taken 40 plus questions and we have how many lives? 8. That's 320 questions. Can you think that I can solve a class of all CET questions of 320 again? Very difficult, right? So please watch it. I'll not get a chance to do that beta one more time in this good with this piece, with this much of ease. So you can try to solve it one more time, all the questions from all the series of 15-day live challenge. Okay? Yes. 31 is C. 31 is C correct. Because rectangle is wrapped in a circle, okay? This gets maximized when the side becomes equal. That is basically square. So if you check over here, the point is what? The radius is given as 8. You can write here 8 square, right? So this is the diameter actually. How come diameter, sir? Rectangle means what, sir? This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree means this has to be diameter. So this is R and R. R and R. So basically, this is possible only when this is a square. So I get what? A square plus A square is equals to what? 2R the whole square. 2 times of R the whole square. What I'm looking for basically over here is area, maximum area of this rectangle. Okay, this becomes twice of A square equals to 16, right? 16 the square. Okay, so I get A square equals to 16 square by 2. So I get 16 into 8. That's the value of A square. And A square means what? Square area. The figure inside becomes square. That's the maximum area. 128 is the answer. Option C is correct. Ali Mir Zafar, in this session, I think I have 43, 44 questions. Yeah. So 32, 31 is done now, 32 now. Okay. The interval in which the function fx is this increasing. This question I just taught you right now. Please try. All of you try right now. The same question. Interval increasing. Come on, come on, come on. Everyone, get on this. Hello, Kamlesh sir. Gagandeep sir has given the answer. C is the correct answer. Differentiate 3x square minus 12x plus 9. 0 you're gonna put, take 3 common, x square minus 4x plus 3. Bring 3 on this side, it will become 0 only, so 0 equals to x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. Factors are coming as x minus 3 and x minus 1. Critical points are 1 and 3. Critical points are 1 and 3. Number line now. Minus infinity plus infinity. 1 here, 3 here. Coefficient of x in the factors, plus and plus. Plus sign, and 3 comes from this particular factor, power is 1, so odd and odd. So we get sign change everywhere. I'm looking for increasing. This means f dash of x is more than 0. This also means the same thing. So I'm going to go with this to interval. Interval is what? Negative infinity to 1. Which one? Open or close? Close, because it is saying increasing. If it was strictly increasing, I'm going to take the open one. Union, close, 3 to infinity. Answer is option C. See the competition going on in the class itself. Gagandeep and SK going head to head. Ali Zafar, I mentioned close to 44-45 questions. Yeah. 33 now. The sides of an equilateral triangle they're all A, and the area is given by root 3 by 4. A square is the value of the area. They are saying change in the area, sorry, the side is as 4 centimeter per second. This is 4 centimeters per second. Area is increasing when the side is 14. They have also mentioned that when this A value is 14, from here, what is the rate of change of area? Differentiate please. dA by dt. Root 3 by 4 is a constant. Differentiate A square, you get 2A dA by dt. Root 3 by 4, 2 times of 14, and this value is coming as how much? 4 only, right? 4 and 4 cancels. 28 root 3, change of area centimeter square per second. 33 is C. Syllabus Deepti has been given by KEA official. You can write KCET Maths official syllabus for 2026. You'll get the PDF. Okay, it's been released a few months back. $33 is done. 34 now. This one, come on, Gagandeep. Gagandeep, come on. Gagandeep, Alpha, Prajwal, Shravya, Chandana, Mir Zafar, all of you. SK. Answer for the question number 34. B. B seems correct. B is right. F dash of x. Log of 1 by x is what? 1 upon 1 plus x. Differentiate this one. Derivative of this will be what? Think about it. Differentiate 2x, you'll get 2 plus x as it is. Minus sign will come. Differentiating, the denominator will get what? Simply 1. Over here, I get 2 plus x the whole square. Cross multiply, please. So 1 plus x times of 2 plus x the whole square. This comes over here. So 2 plus x the whole square. Here, please check. I'm gonna get what in a bracket? 4 plus 2x and minus 2x. Am I right? Something is wrong? 2x derivative is 2 plus x as it is. Okay, minus 2x will be as it is. Differentiation of 2 plus x is x only. I think this looks correct. Yeah. All right. Let's find this value from here. You get 4 plus x square minus, how much is that? Plus 4x and minus 4. Something doesn't seem right. Something does not seem right, sir. Log of 1 plus x is 1 plus x only. 2x will be 2, so 2 plus x as it is. That's correct. And we have over here, what is that? Minus sign, 2 plus x as it is. And differentiate 2 plus x will become simply 1. So it has minus 2x. So we get 4 and 2x minus 2x is cancelled. Something does not seem right over here. I'll continue. I'll check. 2 plus x the whole square. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. X value cannot be minus 1. What did I miss? Okay. Correct. These are easy problems, by the way. Correct. Prajwal. 1 plus x. Yes. Sorry. Here we'll have 1 plus x also. So we'll have 1 plus x over here. Okay. So sorry. Thank you for pointing it out, SK. Yeah. So if you see this now, I'll write this step again. Okay. And this also I'll not erase. 1 second. 4 minus 4 times of 1 plus x. Now if you check on this side, we are getting f dash of x as 4 plus x square plus 4x. Do one thing, expand that. Minus 4 minus 4x upon 1 plus x, 2 plus x the whole square. This cancels. This also cancels. I am getting the derivative as x square upon 1 plus x and 2 plus x the whole square. I want what? Increasing case. Basically, I want this to be more than 0. This is a positive value. This is a positive value. These two are squares, so positive value always. Means if I can make this also positive, it means my whole fraction will be positive. So basically 1 plus x will be what? More than 0. 1 goes over that side. It implies x is more than minus 1, and which means what? Minus 1 to infinity. 34 is P. Correct. 34 is B. Thank you for pointing it out, SK. 35 now. Guys, all of you in the class, go and like this session if you find what I'm doing over here is helpful. If you don't think what I'm doing is helpful, let me know how can I improve to help you out. Okay? Come on. Yes. Question number 35. fx is given. I'm looking for increasing. Sorry. Okay, we have to look for correct option, not increasing actually. So f dash of x will become what? 12 sine square of x cos x minus 12 sine x cos x plus 12 cos x and 0. Take 12 cos x common, we have sine square of x minus sine x plus 1. This value is always more than 0. How come, sir? Maximum, this can become what? 1. This can become what? 1. So 1 minus 1 will become 0. If it is 0, this thing is 0, then this will be positive value. Sin x range is what? Minus 1 to 1. So if you take minus 1, it becomes again positive only. Minus of minus 1 becomes positive only. But if you take 1, it becomes minus 1 plus 0, that is 0. But this will be again 1 square, so positive only. So this bracket is always positive. So the nature of the function will depend upon the derivative is positive when cos x, excuse me. So from here I am concluding that if f dash x we want more than 0, I have to get cos x more than 0. For f dash of x to be less than 0, I have to get what? Cos x less than 0. Because the nature of f dash of x depends upon just cos x function over here. Cos x graph will draw like this. It is, this is 0, sorry, my bad, what I'm saying, this is minus pi by 2, that's 0, that's pi by 2, and this is pi, and so on. Okay, 3 pi by 2. In decreasing in this, no sir, increasing and decreasing both, because plus and okay, no, in this to this is positive, right? Cos of x is what? This function is what? Cos of x is positive actually from here to here. So option A is wrong. Increasing in pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. Again negative, right? This is positive and this is negative. So that also is wrong. Decreasing 0 to pi by 2. No, this is positive, sir. So this is also wrong. Decreasing pi by 2 to pi. Correct. This is correct. Please check. This part is minus only. Okay. So this part, in this case, cos x is less than 0. And what is this case when x lies from where to where? Pi by 2 to pi. So in this case what happens? Cos x is negative means f dash of x is negative. Hence fx is decreasing. Answer is option D. 35th one. Too many comments. Okay, Deepthi, I'm going to help you out. Just wait for some time. Okay, can you please stay till the end? I'll help you out. I'm going to give you clarity for sure today. Okay, I'll give you actionables what you can do. Just last few questions are left. Okay, what other questions are there? Thank you, Prajwal. Okay. Any other question? Just okay, what is it? PYQ are difficult, but before that you should clear the concepts so then you will understand. Okay, all right. Deepthi, please wait for last. Okay, I'm gonna help you. Sir, comment 30 nothing is showing in the dashboard, sir. Will it show tomorrow? Yeah, it will show from tomorrow, 6th of April. Yes. Have you got the schedule? This is for Kathir Messi. Yeah. 35, 36. Yeah. I think tomorrow you'll have an orientation also, right? Tomorrow you'll have an orientation also. We'll let you know. Okay. Yeah. The trigonometry function y equal to tan x. This is a simple question, by the way, guys. Tan x graph you draw. This is what point? Minus pi by 2. This is, sir, pi by 2. Again, the graph will be like this only. This is, sir, pi. This is a 3 pi by 2. Now please check. Tan x graph is increasing in which interval? Second quadrant. Second quadrant, sir. So pi by 2 to pi. This is the second quadrant, sir. This one, please check. This point is what? Going to negative infinity. This is 0. That's correct only, no? Second quadrant, it goes from what? Negative infinity to 0. So increasing only. So option is D. Option is D. Have a look. SK, do not skip in, for CET, for Comet you can skip conics and not conics, straight lines and all those things, but for CET please don't skip conics and straight lines. 2 easy questions are gonna come. Slope formula is there, just formula based enough. My session you please watch, that's much enough. Okay. Bhavik, Shuvana, we have done all the chapters. PU1 also completed. PU2 we're gonna have 2 more sessions of live. This is your 6th live. 37. Today we are doing CND and AOD, if you're asking today's class. 37th. Come on. Okay. Fx, I can write this property. Okay, if I have log of x with the base y, write it as ln x upon ln y. So write in this case ln of ln x upon ln of x. From here the ln of x comes, from here ln of ln x comes. Okay. Sir, volume, Mir Jafar is saying volume is not less. Okay. All right. You'll get it tomorrow, don't worry. Messi, the session starts tomorrow, right? The crash course. We'll have everything shared, schedule, login details, and what do you call? Your whole planning. And we have orientation also. Do not worry about that. You'll get everything. Okay? Just relax. You got the confirmation mail, right? You'll get everything over there only. Yeah, A is the correct answer, by the way. Now differentiate this. Differentiating this will give me what? 1 by ln x into x, and keeping ln x as it is, minus sign this as it is, ln of ln x will get what? Ln of ln x upon x by what I have? Ln x the whole square, by the way. Yes, this cancels, by the way, guys, over here. So x goes in the denominator, so I'm getting here 1 minus ln of ln x upon x times of ln x the whole square. That's my f dash of x. I want the value of f dash of e. F dash of e. So 1 minus ln of ln e upon e times of ln e the square. Ln e is 1, means 1 minus ln 1 upon e times of 1 square. So 1 minus 0 upon e. Answer is 1 by e. A is correct answer. SK given the answer. Yeah. Deepthi, please wait for some time. Okay, no, there does no need to be negative. Okay, negative, if you're reacting negative, that is the easy way out. Okay, just reacting and being frustrated and just giving the energy out is, the weak side. Wait for some time. I understand your frustration. It's okay. I will spend extra 5 to 10 minutes at the last with you and help you understand the syllabus, help you understand how to go about it. I'll give you actionables what you can do. Just right now let me complete the class. Please wait till the last. Yeah. All right. If you want, you can do that. It'll be difficult, right? It'll be lengthy to solve. And since the base is not natural log, you got to differentiate this. 1 second. Yeah. If you have log of x with the base a, what is the derivative of this? 1 upon x ln a. Difference is there. log of x with the base e or ln of x is there? Answer is 1 by x. So in the question which is given to you, the base is not natural. The base is x. So you got to put here ln of x also. Okay, you can do that. Nobody is stopping you. So question number 38, by the way, guys. Okay, 38. Anybody has the answer? Yes, Mangal. I'm moving on. Results usually come in the evenings only. Okay. Seventh, most likely Tuesday. If they are able to upload all the results 7th, otherwise sometime it takes one day, 8th morning also, but 7th by the evening I think we can get the result. Okay, so let's see. X equals to cot theta, so this becomes 1 plus cot square theta. How much is that? Cosec square theta, root you put, so cosec theta. Start with the question. Y equal to tan inverse of cosec theta minus cot theta. Take LCM please. Tan inverse of 1 upon sin theta and cos theta by sin theta. Continue on this side. Y equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos and sin theta, tan inverse of 2 sin square theta by 2, that's the formula, and 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 cancels, this also cancels. Tan inverse of sin by cos, tan theta by 2, answer is theta by 2. I have taken cot inverse of x as theta. If x is cot theta means cot inverse of x is theta. I'm looking for derivative, so differentiate. Y1 will become what? Half. Derivative of cot inverse, simply minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Answer is what? Answer is what? C, I guess, right? C is the answer. 38 is C. Yeah. C is the answer. 39. Again, you can solve all the steps or simply, be logical in the approach. They're saying continuous at 3. Of course, continuous at 3, sir. Modulus function, if you draw like this, after 1 will be what? This function is like this actually. Okay, but this is at 1. Sorry, this is at 3. This is at 3. Okay, but the break is given at 1. It means the actual graph will be like this. 1 was over here, 3 is over here, this is 3. This break is 3, this break is 1, sir. So continuous at 3, of course, continuous at 3. That is true. Differentiable at 1, of course. Check here. If you find the derivative from the function x more than 1, okay, differentiable at 1, continuous at 1, of course. Let's find this out. Let's use this condition first. So we'll find the function, we'll define the function individually. Fx when x is more than 1. This will become what? Means right after 1. It will become what? Minus x plus 3, guys. It will become minus x plus 3. Okay? And before 1 we already have that. This one. X square by 4 minus 3x by 2 and plus 13 by 4. Differentiate please. Differentiate. You'll get over here minus 1. Okay, this represents your RHD, by the way. About this, 2x by 4 minus 3 by 2, right? 3 by 2. Check here. Put x value as 1 in this case. You're going to get the value as 2 by 4 minus 3 by 2. That's 2. I get half minus 3 by 2 is how much? Equals to minus 1 only. Yeah. Okay. In this case, I'm substituting the x value as 1 because of this condition. Okay. So my LHD is coming as, please check. My LHD is coming as minus 1. RHD is coming as 1. So clearly LHD and RHD are equal. Hence what? Fx is differentiable at x equals to 1. X equals to 1. So option B and option C are both true. Then clearly option A will also be true, because we have option only one as, option D as all of these. If you want, you can check the limit. Check the limit value over here and limit value at 1. Okay, RHL, LHL you can find out. You'll get the answer as same. So actually comes at option D. All of these. Correct. Try not to wear very hard shoes, because they will ask you to open it or take it off, or not wear full sleeves. If you're wearing it, they'll again ask you jackets and all these things to take it out. Okay, so comfortable clothes you can wear. Okay, comfortable shirt, band, whatever it is you're wearing. Okay, for boys and girls, again girls have their own choices, so they can of course go with it, but try to keep it comfortable. Okay, and things which does not have to be changed or taken out and then show it again, because otherwise they have to they need to make sure that this exam that you're giving is fair. Okay, 39 is done, guys. 40th, 39 is clear. So CET, there is no standard book actually. Okay, there are PYQs book, there are NCRTs. Most of the syllabus is based upon NCRT only, but the questions are different. So for that we can practice PYQs related to CET. We can practice KCET pattern questions. So that is what we can do. This is for Sankar. Yeah, there can be tricked or alternate method to solve any question, Bhavik, Suvarna. So of course that is of course there. 38 you're saying, right? Yeah. Okay, why transform minus 1 by 2, sir? Because please check, cot inverse derivative is what? Minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Derivative of cot inverse is what? Minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. That is why it's coming like this. Okay, moving on, guys. 40th one now. Yeah. Between 1 and 2, how many local maxima? Okay. Anybody has given the answer for this? Prajwal has given C. 40. Prajwal sir, wrong. Prajwal sir, how come sir you made it mistake over here, sir? This is a polynomial function. Okay, with this value positive, a positive. It means the function will be what? Always increasing in nature. It will be always increasing in nature. For any function, always increasing in nature or always decreasing in nature. Can you find any maxima minima? You cannot. Okay, if the function over here is always increasing, let's look at this function. What is the maximum value of this? What's the minimum value of this? Not possible. So any function which is always increasing or always decreasing, there is no maxima minima, so there is no critical point. Answer is what? 0. Sir, how do I get to know this is possible or not? Of course, if you try to put x value as infinity, this basically, if you try to take this as x tends to infinity, fx will also tend to, sir, infinity only. Please check. Same goes if you try to take x as this, fx also goes towards, sir, negative infinity only. So always increasing function. 41. X minus integral part of x. 1.6 minus 1.6 this. 1.6 minus 1.6. From any function, for any real number, if you remove the integral part, it becomes what? A fractional part. This is actually the function. If you remove integral part from any real number, the remaining part is called as fractional part. This is called as fractional part. And it goes from where to where? 0 to 1 open. And the graph of this function is like this. Very interesting graph. Please check. 0 close, 1 open. 1 close, 2 open. And like this. Sorry. That's my graph everywhere. Okay? Everywhere. So basically, sorry. Yeah. So basically, if you check about this, this is going to be what? A graph with all these lines. If you check anywhere, if you check in the interval 0 to 1, basically over here, the graph will have a positive slope. Graph will have a positive slope. Okay, and for that, if you differentiate, and you can check here, this function is what? Always increasing in nature. This function is what? Always increasing in nature. Answer is what? Option A. This is logic. Now maths. In the interval beta 0 to 1, excuse me, 1 open, this value is what, sir? Always 0. So the function becomes what, sir? X minus 0. How much is that, sir? X. Derivative becomes what, sir? 1, which is always positive, hence the function is increasing. Maths, logic. Deepti, which question you're talking about? This one? Which one? I'm not getting a question. Yeah. 40 years talking about. Okay. 40 is a polynomial function, sir. It's a polynomial function. For any polynomial function which is what? Having coefficient positive, always have unique nature, increasing or decreasing. Polynomial function has always unique nature. Okay. In that case, what happens? There is no, point of maximum or minima, because it is always increasing. There is no critical point only. Okay. There is no drop or there is no case where this forms. Okay. There is no case where this forms. So you cannot have maxima minima in the case of polynomial function. Moving on. 42. I think this is the last question, guys. I think this is a, yeah, no, we have one more, sorry. We have one more, 43 also is there. Yeah, 42 first. Let's go. Hi, Savita. 42, yes, 42. Solution of this particular at a time of t is given like this. Find the time when acceleration is 14. Let's find the acceleration first. So let's find ds by dt. This is my velocity, and acceleration is what? Either dv by dt or second derivative simply. Okay. So find v, differentiate, you're gonna get 6t square minus 10t plus 4. Over here, a becomes 12t minus 10. That's my acceleration, guys. That's my acceleration. They are given acceleration as 14. 14 equals to what? 12t minus 10. 10 on this side, so 12t. T is coming as 24 by 12. 2 seconds. What are they asking us? Find the time. So answer is B. 42 is B. Correct. Yes. 43 now. Again, polynomial function, same result, always increasing, always increasing. You'll have the answer as increasing for all real numbers. Okay, so that's the end of this class. Now before I move on, Deepti needs help. First of all, KCET. Bacha, watch. So first of all, you should know that in PU2 and PU1, I'm talking about just maths. I'll talk about just math first. We have here 13 chapters and we have here 14 chapters. Weightage and everything I've already given to all of you. Okay, so since you are still scared and feeling overwhelmed, try to finish the easier ones first. For example, what is a determinant? This will fetch you how much marks? Close to 8 marks. Vector and 3D direct formula based question, 8 marks. Okay, 8 to 9 marks. Probability also, if you do 1 and 2 both, you're gonna get 4 plus 2, 6 marks. But if you just do PU2, relation and function, if you do, you get how many marks? 2 marks. ITF if you do, you get how many marks? Again 2 marks. And CND if you do, you get 5 marks. Add this, 16, 20, 22, 24, 27. 27 marks. This is what you should focus on right now. Okay, for PU2 syllabus. For PU1 syllabus, you're gonna start with, again, relation and function, 2 questions, sets, 1 question, trig, sometime 1, sometime 2 questions, probability, over here, 2 questions, straight lines, 1 question, conic, sometime 1 question. How many is this? 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 27, how much is that? 35 marks. You're getting 35 out of 60. That's not that bad. For somebody whose preparation is going very weak, try to get 35 safe for sure. Okay, this, if you get 35, it becomes how much? 105 out of 180. If I take the same average. So everyone listen to me. You're welcome Savita, you're welcome Shravya. Okay. Yes, complex numbers is there. I'm just telling people, you're welcome Shrikant. How many marks will pass in KCET? There's no passing marks, is it? Cutoff you have to cross, right, to get the colleges? Yeah. Yes. CND question. So I'll go to the chapter of course approach. Okay. So beta, first of all, in all these chapters that I've mentioned, all these chapters, if you want to start any chapter which you are very weak in, okay, let's say I'll just mention some chapters very clearly: probability, relation and function, vector 3D, matrices and determinant, straight lines, conics. Okay, these are very, very easy ones. Yeah, relation function I've written there, right? Yeah, even ITF also. Okay, and if you are good in this, even in the trigonometry formula based questions also. 1 second. Trig. So these are the chapters, first set of chapters where only formula, mastery with PYQs will be very, very sufficient for preparation. Only formula and PYQ mastery will be sufficient. Just make sure that you are solving the questions within 45 seconds per questions. These are chapters for continuity and differentiability. Okay, and what else we had? Okay, we had Yeah, only continuity and differentiability actually, or any chapter you are weak in, or any weak chapter. Okay, try to start from, of course, all formulas plus NCERT solved examples, and then you go to PYQs. Okay, for PYQs I would recommend you to refer my 15-day challenge series for PYQs. You can refer this, it'll help you out. For any chapter you are feeling weak in, or you say that none of the questions you are able to understand or solve in PYQs, please include this NCERT solved example. It'll be a brahmastra for you. It helps you understand the concepts, and there are questions that already solved, so you can go through it. Okay, and PYQs, solve it more than one time. Deepti, PYQs solve more than, not once, actually 2 times each of the questions. Once you are watching me solve, 2 times you solve from your side. Can you see Gagan was able to solve all the questions in time? How can he has done that? Because he has solved those questions at least 3 to 4 times. I'm saying less, he has solved more than that time. Okay, that's why by looking at the question he knows the answer directly. He's not solving it, he knows the answers. Okay, that's how you need to prepare. So at least more than 2 times from your side. Yeah, I'm giving you approach to become stronger. Weak means what? What you're doing to make it better. Answer me what you are doing. You're weak, good. You understand that you're weak. What are you doing to make it better? Are you solving PY? Are you solving all examples? Are you going through the formulas? Are you still sitting for 2-3 hours to understand the same concept? If you are, then you're improving. Don't worry about it. Okay? Panic will not help. Stressing about it will not help. Actionable helps. Any problem you are facing, any confusion, okay, lack of concentration, okay, confidence also, or repeated mistakes, silly mistakes, panics of exam, all this are sorted by some actionables. If you want to sort all of this, you need to take action. Just thinking will not get you any place. Okay, you got to take actions. You need to work on actionables. Actionables will be, of course, unique for every of the case. If you are confused about what? About the syllabus, go and look at syllabus. Confused about any question, go look at the solution, ask your teacher. Confused about formulas, remember the formulas. So everything will have individual actionables. Just thinking that I am confused, just I'm not feeling confident, I'm not, I'm repeating the same mistake over and over again. So all of this, having the problem is not enough. You got to take care of the actionables. What are you going to do about it? Yeah, you are in the mud. How can you get yourself out of this mud? That's what matters over here. Okay, so lack of confidence. What can you do to create confidence? Solve 5 similar questions on that topic. That's how you get confidence. Repeated mistakes. Why those mistakes are happening? Are there formula mistake? Are there derivative mistake? Are there because of the domain, not knowing the domain mistakes? So go and work on that. Ask yourself, what exactly is the problem? Next, silly mistakes. I hate these. Silly mistakes means that you know something, but you still did it wrong. I hate this. Okay? In this, how can you figure it out? By more practice, and of course by having some patience when solving the question. Okay, your mind should work fast, but should also understand that what is the right approach. Okay, and panic. If panic and nervousness gives you 2 extra marks, go ahead, be panicked for 5 hours straight, be anxious for 5 hours straight. But if it does not gets you marks, actually takes it out. First of all, to overcome panic, you have to accept the situation. Accept the situation around you. What is the situation, sir? Situation is that I have to complete this much things in these 19 days or these 15 days. What can I cover in this 15 days, realistically? So 15 days I have, just an example guys, Just an example, because usually we panic because of some reason, right? Reason is that I have less time to prepare for my PCMB. 15 days I have, I'll divide each day in 15 to 16 hour session. I can study this much. I can study. Okay, out of 16 hours I'll conclude at least 12 hours of quality classes, quality study times. You can do that. Okay, 12 hours of quality classes out of 16 hours. Plan your day before. What do you want to study tomorrow? So I have 12 hours to study. So 4, 4, 4. I'm going to study 4 hours of physics. I'm going to study this chapter. I'll have this book to refer. I have this PYQ to solve. So plan your day in advance, so that when you start your study time, you'll not waste looking for the books, looking for the questions and all of that. So plan your day in advance. Before going to bed today, figure it out what you're going to do tomorrow, and keep the resources ready. Sir, I am not doing good in integration. I'll solve example. So keep the NCERT with you on the desk. Tomorrow when your maths slot of preparation starts or study time starts, you have the book ready. Start solving the questions. So what? All of your confusions, all of your problems has only one solution: actionables. Basically, yes, you are in this problem. What are you gonna do about it? Ask yourself this. Yes, I'm struggling. I'm facing this problem. Ask question to yourself. What are you going to do about it? You'll have an honest answer. And please, if you cannot be honest to yourself, then I don't know. That is the biggest problem I think everybody feels, even me also. Most of the challenges are because I am not honest to myself. If you're honest to yourself, a lot of problems will go away, because if you're honest, you will take good decisions. You will know what is right for you. You will not cheat yourself. And if you stop cheating yourself, you are going to be very much clearer what you need to do, and you will start doing it. Okay? Yes, paper should be harder, and I really hope paper should be harder. Last year it was a very easy paper, so cutoff went really high. Sumant, I have stayed in Monotonicity for almost 10 years. That's where my college was. Next class is on Tuesday and Wednesday. My next 2 classes are on Tuesday and Wednesday, guys. Math, class number 7 and class number 8 is on what? Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, Shravya, I'll do that. Deepti, are you there? Any problem regarding what I was talking about? I don't think you're there. I was answering your questions only. Okay. You're welcome, Gagandeep. Okay. So no other question, guys? Yeah. So I hope I am able to clear what you needed. Okay, syllabus breakdown, how can you approach a chapter, how to figure out which class the chapter lies in, what type of work I need to put in that chapter. Okay, if it is a direct straightforward chapters, I'll go with the formula and PYQs. Okay, and then apply some mock test. I have to work on my time management skills. For chapter which I'm weak in, I have to solve short examples of NCERT, then PYQ comes. So like this you should approach. Yes, please, first of all, think that you are enough, your preparation is enough. You got to, of course, work harder, because the thing is, if you want more in your life, let's say, I'll give you one very easy statement, guys. Whatever you are today, whatever stage you are in your life today, and if you're not happy with it, I'll repeat, whatever you are in your preparation, in your stage today, and you're not happy with it, it means you have not done enough hard work. I'll repeat, if you're not happy with your preparation today, means you not have done enough hard work. And if you want to do better, you have to do the hard work. There is no other way. Nobody will come and help you. Nobody, not even your parents. Nobody will come and help you. If you want to do better than what you are today, you have to start working harder than you were working since last 2 years. Okay, if you're not satisfied with what you are today, it means you did not work hard. You got to work hard. Okay, there's nobody to blame, no teacher, no school, nothing. It just was you. And if you could not do it there, if you do it over here, things will change. You will change the things. Okay, you will change the things. We'll be here to support you, but you can do it. I'm not saying that from today, if your preparation is very weak, you can go and score top rank. You can score rank number 1. But you can, if you were at a position to score 1 lakh rank, you can go to 10,000. You can go to 15,000. Is that not good enough? Improvement will be there in your syllabus, and once you get a habit of changing your life, you can change your life any point of time, man. Okay, once you get that what I want to do, I can do, and have the ability that I will finish my assigned task, then you can do anything in your life. And your life is just starting, man. It's just starting over here. You'll have many more adventures to go for. This is not going to be the end of your career. Okay, just even not even started yet. Okay, but it's just that if this goes good, you will have a smoother career. If it goes bad, you'll have a difficult career, but still you can have a very, very bright future, bacha. Okay, yes. If you're satisfied, Gagandeep, means you have done enough work, means what you are doing is good enough. Yes. Offline crash course Sumant was there, actually already started also, but in offline they have limited seats, and I think seats got filled. Yes. We'll support you after KCET also. We'll have counseling and everything, don't worry about that. We'll work on that later. Okay. Sir, I want 200 MCQs, please. Will come. All those things will come. Marathons will come. Don't worry about it. Tanjiro, we're gonna expect that one 7th only. So that Tuesday, I guess. Correct. Okay, anything else? Yeah. Gagandeep, we'll talk about that once your board exams are over. We'll see cutoff, we'll see all of these things. Okay. KCET, so of course you should go for engineering if you have PCM. Okay, doctor you can choose if you have qualified for NEET. Again, it depends upon what you are deciding. Okay. Yeah, and to cater to questions like this only, we are doing something for all the 10th grader students who are moving to 11th and or 11th who are going to 12th. So we have planned something in one of our centers offline, where all of our teachers are available with team of counselors to help you. And if you have a sibling, if you have somebody who's younger and going from 10th to 11th and they are in Bangalore, then they can come to meet us. We are organizing an event every Sunday, every alternate Sunday, whenever we can. We'll let you know about the information, where we are over there and we wait for you to come. It's all for free. You can come, talk to us. We can guide you, help you choose the stream that you want to, the insights of the stream, how the stream is working on in the world of AI and all those things. Okay, so we are doing all of that. So when the next event is organized, we'll let you know. You all can come. Sorry for bothering, sir. Which is your IPL team? It used to be CSK, but now it is not, because MS is not playing. Okay, but only because of MS Dhoni. My age people, our captain was MS Dhoni, so I relate to him. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. But in today's match, if Dhoni is not playing, I'm supporting RCB. Yes. Yes. Then RCB only. Okay. Yes, it is good. Right now, this is actually physiotherapy, because this game, sports actually activities is expanding. Government is doing a lot of things with the sports academies and everything. So of course, a lot of job opportunities are coming up for physiotherapy, and even in government sector also and private sector also. So it's a good department to have. Okay. So all right, guys. Yes, it is good. It is good, Zuban. So okay, guys. Try to watch the questions, solve all the questions. Any other queries, any other feedback, any other thing you need from me? Okay. You're welcome, SK. You're welcome, Bacha. Anything you need from me, just let me know. I'll be here to support you, help you out. Okay, let's save this class. Yeah, that's all, I guess. That's all in this class. Had fun talking to you all in this class. Bye sir, bye Shravya. Yes, RCB is RCB. Okay, we know RCB is RBC. Okay, my god. Oh, RCB is RBC. I did not know that. Okay. Okay, Sumant. CSK down, RCB is the king. All right, sir. Thank you, sir. You're welcome, Alpha. Chandana is saying, when we have classes, are there for NEET also, sir? For NEET, we are doing something very soon. You get to know. Okay? Yeah. Something soon is coming for NEET. Yes, by attending only NEET, you can take physiotherapy. Sir, I'm becoming like you. Actually, I hope you do better than me. Okay, not like me only. All of you should be better than me, because every teacher actually tries the best to teach the student to make them better than who they are. Okay, so when I learned from my teachers, actually they were much greater than what I am today, but I also got inspired by my teachers, and that's why I chose this profession of being a teacher. Okay, but yeah, Gagandev, you'll be better than me, not like me. Okay, that's for sure. Even if you're a teacher, you'll be better teacher than me for sure. Okay, you're welcome, Shravya. Bye Shumant. Yes, please proceed. Tomorrow class schedule. Tomorrow I think you have morning. I'm not sure. I think tomorrow morning schedule is given over there. Please check. Okay. So my 12th I have done in my home state only. Okay. And my engineering I have done from Bangalore, from PES college, if you know. I have done from there. I cracked Comet K. I did my bachelor's from there. Okay. My studies, I was good in mathematics. I liked mechanics a lot, so that's why I chose mechanical engineering. I left other stream to choose mechanical, even though my rank was pretty good. I could have got CS, but I did not wanted to go for that. So I chose mechanical. I was satisfied with it. But from my college time only, I started teaching students. Okay. So one of my senior introduced me to students that they needed help. So yeah, I should teach that. Yeah. Okay. Schedule, Sumant. Actually, you can check the live. Live is already scheduled, bacha. So if you go and check the live stream, no, you'll find it over there on itself. That is scheduled. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. What else? Anything else? Gagandeep says, sir, what is your result of second PUC? Okay, I did horrible over there. I slept in my maths exam. I wrote for 65 marks, got 58. Okay, so my second PUC, my CBSE maths, other subjects were good, but math I screwed up big time. Okay, I slept in my examination hall. Okay, okay. It depends upon your interest, because now the world is expanding. So of course, some of the streams does not have that much of job opportunities right away. You have to go for the higher education, but CS has higher job opportunities right away after BTech. So if you are looking to get a job right after BTech, then yes, CS is of course one of the best. Even any advanced or machine learning or AI applications are going to be good stream. But if you're looking to do a master's, if you can go abroad, or you can go to IITs for masters and get a good education over there, then yeah, every stream becomes good. Because, for example, nanotechnology in ISC is very good. Okay, so all these are there. So for higher education, there are multiple streams. For higher payout after BTech, of course, CS is one of the best. Yeah. It depends upon, so try to think, try to look for what you can relate with. It's not about just which has a higher package. Okay, it's not like that. Can you be good? Do you enjoy coding? Do you enjoy do you have this knack of developing new technology? Do you like technology? Do you think you want to work behind screen and sit for 8 hours, 10 hours and create those amazing frameworks from where the technology evolves? Then yes, you are the person for CS. Okay. Yes, confirmed only. I think 95% confirmed. Like highly likely to come on 7th itself, to a Tuesday by evening. Percentage, I don't remember. I just remember my math score, which was very bad. So 58 out of 100, guys. Okay. So not very happy to tell, but please don't ask me again. Okay. I think that was good. But because of a maths only, it went down, of course. Okay. I remember it was around between 70 to 80, something like that it came. 7th of April is the result date for second PUC. So engineering becomes jobless and doctors have crore other from engineering and doctor. So engineering becomes jobless and doctor have 1 crore other from engineering and doctor. I'm not getting your question, Gagandeep. Can you please explain your question one more time? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. Anything else, guys? No, nothing, right? BBA, BCA. BBA, BCA is for commerce, right? Commerce and business studies. Again, more about more than the stream, it should be, can you relate to the stream? Try to go and understand the job profiles which is there when BBA, BCA, what type of jobs you get. Do you like to do that job? Do you think you can be comfortable in it? Do you think you can enjoy that part even a little bit? Okay, you don't have to be job is not like playing football. Okay, of course it's going to be tedious and sometimes very hardworking, sometimes very demanding, but still you should enjoy the, for example, teaching also is very demanding field, right? Very demanding field. I'm here working weekends, working festivals, working everything. Okay, but when I'm in the class, I enjoy my students. Okay, I enjoy talking to you guys, helping you guys. So even the underlining is that the work I'm doing is very difficult job. Okay, it's very high demanding job, but still enjoy it. Okay, that's why I chose this profession. So when you're thinking of choosing your profession, try to think, can you even enjoy a little bit of it? If you can, that's how you should build it. Okay, which part? At least one part of it. Let's say any job which makes you travel a lot, so that becomes your one thing to enjoy about the job, right, guys? Okay. Yeah. The top colleges do have those skills. Okay, not all the streams might have good professors, but top engineering streams have good professors. Okay, there are many there are many streams which is good other than medical and engineering. Okay, it's about your choice. Commerce is there. Okay, commerce is also booming. In medical, non-MBBS streams are also there. Okay, you have sports as a career, not only just playing sports but also managing sports. One of my friend I know, he's doing really good. He's in sports management and he's working with athletes right now. He travels across the world. Okay, sales is there, marketing is there, HR is there. Many profile is there other than engineering and medical, where people can of course pursue their career. No, not really. Engineers are not unemployed. If they are actually looking for a job, they are employed only. If they're not looking for a job, they're not employed, of course. Because any job, if you want to go for a job, if you want to be ready for it, you've got to be it might not be that high paying as it used to be, because earlier there was of course there was no AI, there was a lot of challenges before, and now it is different. Okay, so yeah, I personally feel that if somebody is able to provide some quality or some something from their side to the organization, they will be employed only. So yeah, employment is there. Okay, if you can provide something to the organization you're working for. Yeah. Skills, of course, the thing is, skill development is not anybody's guarantee. I will not come and give you the skill. It's not like, okay, Gagan, this is your skill, take it up. Doesn't work like that. Skill is developed by yourself. Okay, it's you what you want to develop, and you got to work hard day and night to develop that skill. Okay, skill development is not it's a responsibility of an individual, which skill or what skill he wants to develop. Okay, yes. Sir, as being part of working for EdTech, do you think coaching centers avoid making students aware of other options than JEE NEET? I really don't feel that, okay, because students who are getting admissions in JEE NEET, they already come, with the mind that they're going to pursue engineering. Okay, and yes, the number of students who are enrolling in this has become lesser, because I personally feel that, I'll tell you one thing which is very, very harsh. I should not say that. Okay, so what has happened? Country has evolved. Okay, now we have better lifestyle than we used to have 10-15 years back, don't we? Yes. So students can work a little harder, and there's a bigger competition now. Okay, everybody's preparing well, cutoffs gets higher. Okay, and because of that, student, I don't know why they don't have the right support, right mentorship, and they give up. They just give up. Okay, they just say that I don't want to compete only. But why? If you don't want to compete for the best, then why you are just settling for average or below average? It's not about getting into IITs. It's not about getting into top college of Karnataka. It's about preparing yourself with the best resources to make the best version of yourself, so that, because basically think about it, let's say 5 students of the same age group is there who are preparing for an examination. 2 of them gave up. Okay, 3 of them got the seat. Correct? Now people who gave up, won't they be competing in the same job field? Not in the same exact field, but at least in the same Indian market. Then it's not about giving up. It's about taking it up as a challenge and preparing with your best of ability. It's not about getting better than them. It's about getting them, trying to for the best and the most difficult thing which is available out there, and you create a version of yourself that you are proud of. Okay, because when you improve, when everybody, all the children improve, the country improves, the whole the surrounding people around us become better. Okay, just by looking at a difficult exam you guys give up, and I really feel sad for that. Okay, I think you should try harder. You should work harder. You should have right mentorship, should have right guidance. That's why I feel right now a lot of edtechs are providing that mentorship part, okay, alongside the teaching. At Deeksha we have something called as, very interesting, if you are part of Deeksha you'll know, something called as D-Parent, where we support student in every single way so that they can grow, they can ask their queries and ask their problems, and we'll sort them with them. Okay, so we don't misguide them, or we don't hide things from them that you can choose something else. Deeksha has more than stream. We have commerce also. We have humanities also. We have a lot of things for all of the students. Okay, it's not like that we on purpose, or anybody on purpose, but nobody is that evil. Okay, nobody is that evil to screw up a child's career. Okay, we don't want to do that. Okay, not for any amount of money. Yes, nursing is also good. Okay, again it's based upon your choice and what is your preparation. Yeah. Okay. RV College CS is one of the top seat you're talking about. Basically, I think less than 500 rank is what is required to get a CS in RV from CET. Which are 2 chapters? Today's chapter is no. I actually was I have more things to say about this, but I cannot say that over here. Okay, it will not be appropriate. But if you want to come and meet, if sometime we can get to connect, I'll tell you how I sometimes I feel sad that students are not trying harder. Okay, why they are settling? They should not settle. It's not about cracking any examination. It's about going all out for examination. Okay, whatever. The thing is, I did not get into my IITs. I wanted to. Of course, my dream was to get into IITs. I did not get into. I got a decent seat in NIT, but I chose to come to Bangalore and study from PCCET. Okay, that was my choice. But my point is, when I prepared for my examination, I became an individual who can study for 12 hours straight. One of my friend I know who can study for 36 hours straight. We got into habit of having the ability to do hard work. We got into habit of building that skill to the analytical skill to solve problems. This problem solving skills is more than just a degree. The analytical skill that you develop while preparing for an exam is more than that a degree. Okay, these people who are running the country, bureaucrats, how they come from? UPSC. They are running the country, right? IS, IPS, all the sirs and ma'ams who are running the country right now, and they are all decided upon what? Some examination, UPSC. It means if you are preparing for examination, you got to go with the best version of yourself, and these examinations actually are very, very, very well designed to help you get into, to help you build into a person which can run a country. Think about it. Okay, preparing for UPSC, that preparation level builds an individual. That whole journey of 4 or 5 years or 3 years builds an individual which can run a city, run a district, run a colony, whatever it is. Okay, an organization. So yes, if they don't try their best in the preparation, how can they become that individual? It's not about cracking the examination. It's about being the best version of yourself. It's about improving yourself. Okay, so if you're writing any examination, don't take it up, sir, my limitation is this only, I don't want to do this, do not take initiative in the beginning itself of negative. Try to go positive all out from the beginning. Okay, even though if you don't crack that, or if you don't get that particular sheet that you wanted to, you will be improved individual, you will be improved student, and you will get your success. It'll be due to you in future. Just keep grinding, keep working hard, success will be yours. Okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry about the failures that you're getting. You will of course overcome it. Sometime when we fail, we feel bad. It's okay to feel bad. Okay, it's okay to feel hard. Do you think, I'm a maths teacher, right? I got 58 marks in my maths. I felt good. Did I feel good as a 12th student? Of course I did not. Okay, in that my time in JEE main, PU2 means 12th weightage was also there. I lost my college because of that 12th marks of mathematics. Do you think I felt good? I did not. It's about carrying on from there. Okay, take learning from your failures and still work hard next day in the same format. You are all a fan of RCB, right? Look at Virat Kohli, man. How much he has failed? 17 years. Okay, and he still comes with the same intensity every match to work best with the team. Learn from him. Nobody can be better inspiration than Virat Kohli for all of you. Failure does not define you, your hard work defines you. It's not about getting the success over there right now, right here. It's about, and just by doing that, being present, doing the hard work, he became the best in the world. I don't think anybody is even gonna come near to being beating Virat Kohli. Right? Don't you all agree with me? It's not because you all are a fan of RCB. I'm just telling you as an individual, Virat Kohli, Indian cricket player. Take inspiration. It's not about failure. It's not about going halfway. Going all out is what you need to write any examination or any challenge in your life. Okay, I went too much in this, conversation today, but you are asking for it. So that's all, guys. Yes. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, sorry for being emotional and I took it longer. Okay, so correct. No, it will empower human, it will not replace human. Of course, you got to work your way around it, you have to learn your skills, but it will not replace completely. You got to upgrade yourself, of course. Okay, yeah. But any technology comes, of course, some jobs are lost, but some jobs are created also. Okay, you got to, of course, at every time upskill yourself. So that's all, guys. Hello, Prajwal. That's all, guys. So I will end the class today. Sir, in the Vedantu app profile page in course KCET option not there, sir. A profile page in only DUET, CGUET, NEET Commerce. Okay, I have to check on that, Prajwal. Okay, I am not getting your because I have not checked it. Okay, all right, guys. So that's all for today. Yeah. So I already took a lot of your time after the class. So all of you watching it later, please go ahead and finish the questions itself. You don't have to listen to me blabber after the class. Okay, just some of you were asking something, so I went ahead a little bit extra. Wish you all the best for RCB match. Okay, and that's all. Take care, guys. Keep working hard, keep smiling, and of course success will be yours. All the best. See you in the next class Tuesday. Of course it'll be in evening, I guess, and Tuesday we'll have vector 3D. Wednesday we'll have all the integration part. Okay, that's all. Bye, guys. Okay, so take care. See you in the Tuesday's class. Bye bye. Take care.